And also ask every department head, come and go through this.
Sure.
First, all secretaries,
Yes.
including ministers.
Yes.
These drones.
You come to Oracle now, I have announced.
Okay.
There you manufacture, you will get all the publicity.
Okay.
You will use it.
So right now
What?
we are based in Bangalore, but we are open for.
No, that is the hub. I want to make it for India's hub.
Sure, sir.
For you only 2.5 hours
Sure, sir.
from Bangalore.
Yes.
Drone information,
Yes, sir.
you can go now with cloud
Yes, sir.
and identify the rowdy shooters, all these things in a mob, in a crowd.
Yeah,
Real
what
time?
we do is we'll get a set of data set from the.
No, I can keep it in crowd.
Yeah.
You can have data.
Yeah, yes.
You are having
Yeah.
any,
Yeah, then that is fine.
match and
yeah.
you are
we
having
match
any program as on today.
Yes, sir. We have done this program actually.
You come back. That also I want to.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
You will use it.
So 2 things. Rowdy sheeters
Yeah,
database ni.
అది ఇచ్చినాక మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ అవన్నీ కూడా ఉపయోగించి యూజ్ ఇట్. ఐ వాంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ యూజ్ కేసెస్.
Yes.
Then I want to promote.
Sure.
Also, pesticides, I want to go for precision.
Yes, sir.
Then residuary pesticides, I have to identify less.
Correct, sir.
Only that spot I want to hit.
We'll get back to you on this. We will definitely give you.
I will give you so many challenges for you.
Sure, sir.
You are going traditionally.
Yes.
I want to go innovative way.
Definitely.
That is the knowledge I want to promote.
Definitely.
Everything is possible.
Everything.
Then you will have a market.
Absolutely.
అట్లా అనలైజ్ చేయాల్సింది. You have to analyze what is the cost, what is the effectiveness. There will be overall efficiency.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes pesticides, only precision agriculture, concern spot we can spray. There is a lot of control on pesticides. We are eating only pesticides food.
Exactly.
Then fertilizer also more evenly they can spray with precision. Then application or plant can take very easily. That is the benefit. This is where we have to go to depth and analyze, and then we will use it.
అప్లికేషన్స్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి మనకు pathole observations, then garbage.
Potholes can you measure?
Patholes can be, yes, sir, can be taken into consideration.
Not consideration. I wanted to measure
Okay.
size of pothole,
We will integrate
depth,
that, sir.
all these things,
We'll
integrate.
With the
Then
garbage and
no,
the
not first of all potholes.
Okay.
What is the pothole size?
Okay.
What is the depth?
Okay.
How much?
Okay.
Then on the basis of that, I can go for repairs, contract everything.
Sure, sir.
Estimates I will
We will
prepare.
definitely integrate.
Garbage also, quantity of garbage in the dustbins
In dustbins.
and also spread.
Okay.
In a village, if I send drone, it has to calculate everything or programming in such a way in cloud, how to calculate, and I want to go for auditing.
Definitely, sir.
Particular village, how much garbage is there.
Kids are Sir is asking the government how
Definitely.
to avoid it. But understand the
No, you would know your.
What I'm saying, it is the beneficial for the plant. What type of nutrition is there? I want to enrich further. Yeah, sometimes there will be deficiency of zinc, gypsum, like that. All these things I can balance.
We have given that kind of drones to ISRO also with hyperspectral sensors, and we have done a lot of research with ISRO. So we have shown them the.
No, what I'm saying, common man, what is the beneficial for a farmer? You have to prepare use cases, you have to guide me, then I can use it immediately.